Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can open agent in Antigravity. So for example, let's say you close the agent by mistake, or maybe if you opened Antigravity it's not showing right away. So I'm going to show you how you can turn this on or open it. So there are two ways. You can use shortcut or you can simply click on this icon in the top right corner menu so you can see toggle agent. So if you click on this icon, it's going to automatically toggle agent on your right side, as you can see. So now, for example, if I closed it, I can turn it on like this. Then you have some other stuff over here. You have like toggle panel, but this is not what we want. I will also show you the shortcut. So if you press Command E, this is for Mac, and for Windows it should be Control plus E. So what you can do, you can for example add this to your second monitor, and we can basically start typing the tasks, and on the main monitor you can have your only code files. So this was a quick video on how to open agent in Antigravity. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.